Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a 3-speed electric rotating display stand, mirror 360 degree turntable. Now this thing I purchased through AliExpress and costs $15.39 including freight. So that's Australian dollars, so not that expensive. So let's have a look and see what we get. Okay, so this is the unit. So it doesn't come with batteries. So that's the first thing to note. It does have a USB port here, USB-C, and there's 3 buttons on the front here. It also comes with this reflective surface, and it looks like it's adhesive, so you can stick it on the top there to give it a mirror finish. The box is empty. On the back of the box, it does have the instructions on how to drive it. So there are 3 buttons. RLs, which is the clockwise or counterclockwise, so right left. There's to turn it on, press any of the buttons. The one in the middle labelled SR is speed regulation, as 2 revs per minute, 4 revs per minute, or 6 revs per minute. And ASA is angular rotation, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees circulation. It's got 5-volt micro USB in. To me, that looks like a USB-C. And press any button for more than 3 seconds to turn it off. It will take a 18650 lithium battery or 3 AAA batteries, not included, and a charge lead indicator. Now, I did take this out of the box earlier, and that's a USB-C lead that came with it as well. And I found that it doesn't work without batteries. So I've put 3 AAA batteries into the bottom of this, and let's give this a test. We'll try it without the reflector. So I've turned it on, and you can see it rotating there. So pressing the RL button reverses its direction, changes the speed, so that must be 45 degrees. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees. Alright, so that'll be handy for showing off other devices as I unpack them, so you can see what they look like. And I'll give this a try over the next few videos, and you'll be able to see how it works. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account and YouTube membership, and you can join my VIP patrons GoLucky and Jerde, my Builder patrons Elmorellis45, Andrew Cardone, Airgar69, and James Kelly in helping to support the channel. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or drop into the Discord. There will be a link in the description, and ask your question in Discord and I'll do my best to answer it there as well. If I can't, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.